Have you ever wondered why so many office furniture suppliers showcase perfectly empty desks in their ads? It looks appealing, but there's a hidden reality they're not showing you. Let's dive into the truth behind these pristine images and discover what they're conveniently leaving out. Prepare to be surprised. Supplier's misleading first impression, the empty desk dilemma. Many suppliers showcase sleek, empty desks, creating an illusion of simplicity and elegance. However, this often masks the reality of what you'll deal with post-purchase. These images reflect the clutter of cables, the lack of storage, or the ergonomic challenges you'll face once the furniture is in use. It's a classic case of style over substance, leaving you with a workspace that's less functional than it appears. Post-purchase reality. You're on your own. Once the furniture are delivered, you're often left on your own doing the setup. The reality of setting up a functional workspace hits hard. There's no guidance on cable management or integrating your technology with the new furniture. This oversight can lead to a chaotic and disorganized workspace, far from the minimalist designs initially promised. It's a classic scenario of expectation versus reality, where the burden of practicality falls squarely on your shoulders. The hidden costs of DIY solutions. The absence of comprehensive solutions means you're likely to incur additional costs and effort in making your workspace truly functional. From buying cable management accessories to rearranging the layout for practicality, what seemed like a one-time investment becomes an ongoing project. This not only affects your budget, but also consumes valuable time and resources that could be better spent on your business operations. To don't fall for the empty desk trap, we've created a free document called Roadmap for Successful Offices. This volume 1 will provide you the comprehensive guide on how to start your project step by step the right way. You can find the link to download this valuable resource in the caption below this video and start your journey towards a more efficient and effective workspace. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope it has been informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and solutions related to workspace design.